Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, May 10th. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Well, we've received the CPI reading. It came in less hotter than expected or cooler. So we actually have a 4.9% increment year over year, which is a bit less than expected over the 5%. Markets actually took that as a positive. We are seeing how the equities are rallying, the indices are rallying. We saw also gold make a parabolic movement. So how long or will that movement sustain itself? Well, we are almost reaching our resistance level of 13,450-ish. That could be one point where we could find some resistance, some sellers around here. But looking at the overall picture, 13,500 could be that place. The RSI is further away from being overbought. So that could be a nice trade to the upside, as well as the S&P 500, which is the RSI is further away from being overbought. 4,200 is that psychological level that traders have been looking to reach and break over. Uh, let's see if that could happen today, this week, or will this just be some sort of fumes in the left in the gas tank at the last moment, and then we'll see some correction happening. As far as the Dow goes, it did fluctuate lower. It is trading higher now. It is looking to come back to up to 33,800. 34,000 is that psychological resistance level, which is the target. Then we have crude oil that has been in a range within yesterday's trading range. All right, so $32 is that psychological support level, but I have it at $70. 75 is my resistance, but it is sort of a pushing lower today. So intraday, we could probably come and sell crude oil as well as Nat Gas. I have $2 as my support and then $2.20 as my resistance. Then we have gold that at the moment after the initial reading came out, it did that parabolic movement to the upside. It almost reached 2050 in our chart, the daily chart, and has retraced a lot from there, $15. So will we find another attempt at reaching that high just because of the movement? And the RSI is further away from being overbought, so that could be a scenario. And then we have silver that it didn't make such a strong move as gold did. It did retrace up from that high almost of $26. So we could probably find that support at psychological support as 25.50, but $25 is my support. 26.50 is my resistance. So you could be long in that. And then we have copper that has actually opened with a strong gap down. It has been closed. So will the movement continue to the upside, or will that gap down indicate that we're going to continue to shoot lower? 380 is the psychological support level. I have 375 as mine. 390 is my target if we do continue to move higher. And then we have Bitcoin that has uh, gained some ground, trading above 28,000. Well, it stayed above 28,000, we shall see. Then we have the currencies that had been on a tier to the downside after making that nice high of 110. So let's see if they'll come back towards it. Then we have the pound that is looking to come back towards the 127 handle. So being bullish on that because the dollar index is looking to stay above 101. If we happen to trade back lower to below 101, 105 is actually my support. So that could be the case. Well, that's it for me today. I want to invite you to my next webinar on May the 17th, where I'll be talking about the selling may and go away, which I call it selling may go away or stay and play. where I'll be covering breadth, VIX, and some short-term patterns to look at the market. That'll be May 15th. I'll leave the link on the bio. Thank you, and I'll see you.